day, I am Romil Mahilom and welcome to my video. So in this video, I will be discussing about the famous Joseph Nice and the invention of photography. And first, I will show you how photography was discovered. So we will answer the question how photography was discovered. So always remember that photography was not invented by anyone. It is the result of the discoveries on the part of several scientists, chemists, and others. So if you will be asked who invented photography, the answer is there was no credit as to who invented photography. Photography was perfected by different kind of person. So if there was no credit as to who invented photography, so how photography was discovered? So always take note that the discovery of photography was made more or less by accident. So what happened? The discovery was made when someone happened to go into a room darkened by shutters placed over the windows. So shutter is also known as window cover. So what happened next? It happened that in one of the shutters there happened to be a small hole. And then the light rays entered the hole and projected an inverted image of a tree. Always take note that this phenomenon is known as light projection. So, because of light projection, people made a dark room just to see an image of a light projection. So, what is the connection of light projection in the discovery of photography? Always take note that light projection played a big role in the discovery of photography. So, why? Because of the discovery of light projection, the pinhole camera was made. Pinhole camera is a simple camera without a lens but with a tiny aperture. But this pinhole camera was encountered a problem. The image projected is somewhat dim or blurred. Now, to solve that problem, they created a better ideas to solve that problem. And that idea is the camera obscura. So, the camera obscura is an upgraded version of a pinhole camera. It is a box or small darkened room into which an image of what is outside is projected using a simple lens in one of the side of the box or room. Using the lens, the image becomes sharper and clearer as compared with the pinhole camera. So, what is the reason for that? Why is it that camera obscura projects clearer and sharper image than the pinhole camera? The reason behind is the lens, because lens is very good in manipulating light. And now I will be discussing about the person who made contribution in the invention of photography, and the name of that person is Joseph Nice. Joseph Nice successfully made the first known photograph. For this reason, he was being credited as being the inventor of photography. However, Joseph Nice's photograph required 8 hours of light exposure to create and after appearing would soon fade away. Joseph Nice was born on March 7, 1765 and died on July 5, 1833. Nice came from a wealthy French family in the city of Chalon, France. He was educated for the Catholic priesthood and for a period of time was an instructor at the seminary. Nice joined the French military in 1791 and served in Italy until he contracted typhoid fever in 1794. He retired to Nice where he married and became active in local politics. Nice and his brother Claude, 2 years his senior, were investors with some degree of success. In 1807, they obtained a patent from the Napoleonic government for a motor for large boats. They named their invention the Paralofer. He constructed his first camera in 1816. He created an image on white paper but was unable to fix it. He continued experimenting with different cameras and chemical combination for the next decade. The Nice family declared the date of 1822 as the birth of photography. A plaque in his home bears this date, but unfortunately, there is no physical evidence to substantiate it. There is no record to a successful asphaltum copy on glass which contained an engraving of Pope Pius VII. It was given to Nice's cousin, General Poncel, who dropped and broke the plate while showing it to friends. In the year 1827, Nice produced the first lasting record of his work. Using a plate coated with bitumen, he recorded an 8-hour exposure from his bedroom window. The plate was then washed with a solvent and placed over a box of iodine, producing a plate with light and dark qualities. Nice named the resulting image a heliograph. Today, this image resides in Jernsheim collection in the Research Center at the University of Texas at Austin. In the same year, it was recommended to Nice that he meet with Louis Jacques Mandry de Guerry, a painter of theater scenes, to discuss his invention. Nice and de Guerry became partners, securing a 10-year contract. Unfortunately, Nice died 4 years later. There is a statue and museum dedicated to Nice's memory in Chalon, France. Nice was one of the first photographers inducted into the International Photography Hall of Fame at its inception in 1966. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you like it. And once again, my name is Romil Mahilong from Base Cream 2B.